Alright guys, so I just got off the stock exhaust. It took about, I don't know, 20, maybe 30 minutes. It was kind of a doozy. You really have to jiggle those things around to get them off. I found it easier to unbolt both exhausts from each other so they're not attached to each other so you can move them independently. That made it a lot easier than trying to take them off as a pair. But we're going to start it up with no exhaust on it, no mufflers, and we'll see what it sounds like. Oh yes, she is very loud with no exhaust. We'll see what she looks like, what she sounds like with the aftermarket pipes on her.